We've been scattered among wolves over all the face of the earth, as grain sifted in a sieve, yet not the smallest grain fell to the ground. What have become of the seeds of Yaakov? Uprooted from the Tov land beyond the river, because we have provoked the Kadosh One to anger. Our language isn't our own. Strange ones nurse and trains us to forsake Yahuwah's laws. We are surviving among giants, gathering and living like other nations where strangeness is the norm. The Ruach left us, and the rain overtook us as prey among wolves, consumed by the sword, sheep without shepherd. Oh, what have I done? Kifeshai ani eda, v'chatati nigdi tamid. Lecha levadecha, chatati v'hara be'enecha, asiti leman tzdakah beda v'erecha, tzedakah v'shafetecha. At first glance, they appear as gentle lambs, yet they are wolves, masters of disguise and deceptions. The Scriptures say they intend to steal, kill, and destroy. Ask, said the Good Shepherd, and it shall be given to you. Seek, and you shall find. Knock, and it shall be opened to you. For everyone that asks receives, and he that seeks finds, and to him that knocks it shall be opened. Because narrow is the gate and difficult is the way that leads to chayim, and a few there are those who find it. Shema to the word of Yahuwah, the voice of many waters, the calling to the ancient path. He calls Yisrael by name and lead us out. If you believe in your heart, follow him now. Confess with your mouth that he is the way, the truth, and the life. Yahuwah wori lo echsar, binot deshe yarbid seni, amei menuchot yena haleni. I was lost until you find me. You lay me on your shoulders, rejoicing. There is great simcha in the mayim every time you rescue the lives of your sons and daughters. You once snatched us from the power of the Egyptians. You drew water for us and watered the flock. You delivered us from the power of all who oppressed us, from the hand of all our enemies on every side, from the power of the lion, from the fiery furnace, and from those who hated us. Nafshi yeshovev, yankeni v'magilei tzedakah leman shemo. Yes, in your compassion, I am set free and well watered, like a nates planted by the rivers of mayim, that bring forth fruit each season. My leaf also shall not wither, and whatever I do shall prosper. I no longer turn my back or run when the wolves sniff the air, flicked out their tongue like a snake tasting the air. As they draw near and suddenly announce their presence, they look directly at me as their prey. Yet I will listen to the shepherd's voice and remain with the sheepfold. Gam ki elech 𝒀𝒂𝑃 mavet, lo irara ki ata imadi, shivtecha u'mish'antecha ema yenachamoni. My heart is full of joy. I will sing to him in gratitude. You are Elohim who breathed into me the breath of life. Fear no longer consumes me at the chaos they live in the wake. At my hand you require nothing, yet I shall wash myself and make myself clean. Put away the evil of my doing from before your eyes. Cease to do evil, learn to do tov, seek mishpat. Relieve the oppressed, defend the fatherless, and plead for the widow. Come now, and let us reason together, says Yahuwah. Though my sins are as scarlet, they shall be white as snow. Though they are red like crimson, they shall be as wool. If I am willing to obey, I shall eat the tov of the land. Ta'aroch lefanai shulchan neget sorei di shanta bashemen roshi 𝒀𝒂𝑯𝑖𝒂𝑚 revaya. I delight myself in Yahuwah, and He has given me the desires of my love. I commit my halakha to Him, trust in Him, and He brings it to pass. And He brings forth my tsedakah as the light, and my mishpat as the noonday. Aktor v'chesed yudefuni kol yemei chayai, v'shavti Bayit of YaHUaH 𝒀𝒂𝑯𝑖𝒂𝑃 yamim. Test all spirit, for every ruach that confess that YaHUSHA Ha Moshiach has come in the flesh is from Yahuwah. Everyone who believes that YaHUSHA is the Moshiach is begotten of Yahuwah, and everyone that loves Him who begot loves Him also who is begotten of Him. By this we know that we love the Bnei Yahuwah, when we love Yahuwah and guard His mitzvot. For this is the ahava of Yahuwah, that we guard His mitzvot. Yahuwah is my shepherd, I shall not want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still mayim. He restores my being. He leads me in the path of tsedakah for His name's sake. Yes, though I walk to the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a Shulchan before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil, my cup runs over. Surely tov and rachamim shall follow me all the days of my chayim, and I will dwell in the Bayit of YaHUaH 𝒀𝒂𝑯𝑖𝒂𝑃. Selah.